this is Shailesh. You're watching PHP tutorials. Today we are going to see how to connect our PHP scripting language with the MySQL database by using PHP scripts. There are two ways by which you can connect to the MySQL database. The first one we will see with the functions and the second one by using the object. So let's start by writing a simple script for function. If I need to create a connection, I'll just say connection equals to MySQL I, and here I need to pass the host, that is nothing but a local host. MySQL I connect is the method, and this is MySQL is nothing but a database, and I is nothing but improved. And the second parameter is username, third parameter is password, and semicolon. So this will give us a database connection by using this PHP script. It is having a very simple syntax. MySQL connect is the method. The first one is your host, the second one is username, and the third one is password. And this all should be of the MySQL database. So let's just try to run this code. I just need to save my computer and then XAMPP, htdocs. The another thing is all programs are in PHP programs directory. So I'll just save it with the name database connection .php. Save this. I'll just go to my directory PHP programs. So here I can see our database connection, this file. And if I just run this, it is saying warning, MySQL connect access denied for user root using localhost, and the password should be a root because my MySQL database is having a root password. So it is running fine. Now if I want to use my custom message, so I can check if MySQL I connect error number. This function will return whether our connection established successfully or not, and if not, then it should show connection failed with the proper error message. MySQL I connect and the error. This function should return. Otherwise, it should show, if the connection is successful, it should show message connected successfully. If I just need to save this and connected successfully. Now if I write something wrong over here, so it is showing me an error and it is showing the connection failed message, which we have typed over here to make sure that the message is coming from the same line. So it is coming from the same line, access denied for user root localhost using password yes. So the correct password is root. Now default password is either blank or root. So connected successfully. Now if I want to make a connection using object, so I can use another method. I'll just need to comment this one and just write one message also over here. Connection using method, and the second one MySQL connection using object, that is nothing but class object. So if I want to connect to the database by using object, so I can write by using a new keyword and MySQL I constructor, and here I need to pass the same localhost, my username is root as we have already seen, and the password is also a root. Now if I want to check whether our connection established successfully or not, I'll just put one condition by using this connection object, and here I can write whether our connect error is giving some value or not, and if not, then our connection established successfully. So echo connected successfully using object. So the connection successfully using object, otherwise it should show connection failed, and the message should be from MySql I connect error function. Just save this. If the connect error is having some value, so it will show this message, otherwise it will show connected successfully using object. So it is saying connected successfully using object. And if I just change this username to some other, so it is showing me error. So if I type the correct one, see this message is coming from this connection field using password. And if I just save this, Control S and refresh this, so it is showing me a connected using this. Let's see whether our both connection is working fine or not. So yeah, the both connections are working fine. I just need to. So these are the two ways to connect to the MySQL database using PHP scripting language. There is one more way, that is a PDO called as PDO PHP database object. So it is used for other purpose, like if you want to connect with the Oracle or some other database, so you can use this PDO object also. So we are going to see it later, but for now just connect by using this method and this object. So that's all for now. In the next tutorial we are going to insert data into this table which we have created. We are going to use select statement, read for read. We are going to use update statement to update data in the table, and we are going to use delete query also. And the fourth one is to insert data into the database table. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.